Hi, and welcome to the Scrapping Studio. My name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa, and welcome to another episode of Sketch Sunday, where every Sunday at noon I post a video from of pages that I've made from this 101 Scrapbooking Ideas and Sketches book from 2023. Today we are on page 45, and it was Totally Tonal Christmas Collection from 2022. Now, I've already made one side of it because I wanted to figure out how I was going to do this because, and save paper, because this says this is 6 by 12, then this is 6.5 by 12. So what I ended up doing is I cut these 3/4 inch strips and then hit them behind it. So I made this side 4.5, and then this side was 1.5, and I kind of went in, built in between. So, and I built it on, this is just on some paper, the cover sheet. So let's start by getting another just plain old cover sheet. I know I got more. Should have found that before I started, but I didn't. All right, here's one. Here is Vivid Melodies. So we're just going to build it on the back of that, or you can build it directly on your page. So I need this to be 4.5. I'm going to cut that with my trimmer. And so I've got that, and then this is going to be 1.5. All right, we've got those. So let's just start kind of building it from the outside in. We've got this there, and then we may have to do some tucking. I'm not really sure yet. Okay, so now this is already cut for at the 6. So what we'll do is I need to cut, let's find that sheet. Nope. Now they need it. That's not it. Oh wait, here it is. This is what I have left, and I'm just gonna cut it right down the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we've got these little strips, right? So what I'm gonna do is just kind of take this and let's see. Oh wait, hold on. I may have messed this up. I need to reverse this because I want it to mirror and flow, not do the other way. So I did this on the last one too. If you watched the previous one, I thought I'd do 4th of July 2 weeks in a row just because when leading into it and when leading out of it, because you never have too many barbecue, 4th of July barbecue, fireworks. Oh my gosh, I feel like sometimes I could build a whole book on just July 4th at the lake some years. So, all right, and then this, instead of cutting, a whole thing and adding more bulk, I'm just cutting a strip. And then I'm just gonna tuck it in right there. All right. And then see, this is gonna go right here. And then, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna, how much do I want to show? About right there. And just stick it to the back there. And then I can shift how I want the other. All right. And just go like that. All right. And there we go. we've got that part done. And then the next I did is these, the stickers from the sticker sheet. Let's find those. And I cut those in half. So I've got half here and half of the stars. All right. So this is going to come. Let's see if I can get this to kind of line up. Flip it to the other side for the moment, just so I can kind of see. I think this is just like that. And then this comes over just like that. Let's see how. Actually, it came out pretty darn good. All right. What I could do if I need to is just trim right here. There we go. Oops. Didn't mean to pick that up like that. It's like it stuck to my finger. Put a little more adhesive down. All right. So now we have this going across there. And then we need, so we can decide if we still want to do the same size photos. So we have just the 5.5 by 3.5 is what we're using. So we can do that. We also could do flip that over there. We can also do where it's 3 of these instead on this side. I feel like I want to do that. No, I think we're just gonna do a mirror image, but you can adjust based on your photos. So I have, let's see here, this goes with this one, that goes that way, and I kind of pre-cut some of these. There we go. All right, this one I cut wrong, so we'll put that one. So these are here and here. All right. Now I just need to find the rest of my parts. That's there. Okay, so now we got that. Yeah. 3. All right. Let's get these put down. Put all those back in the little bin. Get my tape runner before I lose it again. And oops, I put it on the wrong side. So we'll just start with this over here. And like I said, you can whatever photos fit for you is fine. I'm just gonna do the same on each side. And then when I do my pictures, if I need to adapt, I can. But I don't necessarily, sometimes my kids don't like to be in my videos with their photos, so I try to respect that. And so that's why a lot of times I'm using placeholders versus that. And I will on my Facebook group will post finished pages sometimes, and they might be included in it, but I've just one child who does not want to be in them at all. So, and I have to respect that. So, and I know for sure her boyfriend does not want to be. So, just have to respect those wishes, and the pages turn out great with the photos once they're done. All right, so I feel like this could come down some there, like that, and then we're gonna punch from, this is the Molten Lava Cornflower Blue. Punch 2 more. Okay, and then I need the red. Let's see, molten lava red. I have it out. I think it's right here. Oh, here it is. I still have some scraps left. I don't want to use all this paper because it's so beautiful. And the cranberries from last year, that's not current. The cornflower blue is, you get it for free when you buy the other. There isn't a lot of it left at the time of this recording. So, all right. This had, let's do red first and then blue. There. Let's see. I'm going to shift this over a little bit. So it's more even. And you can decide which ones. These kind of mush on top together. So, okay. So I said parade on this one. And I feel like the little chairs would be perfect. With the little, they have a flag on one of them. Let's put this flag right here on that one. Trying to see. Just start right there. And then that's kind of fun. All right. We're getting down to like not a whole lot left of those. I know I have more with my son's stuff. So, but there you go. I could put something up here if I wanted to. Trying to see. There's Uncle Sam hat. I don't think there's really. That's pretty much it. I mean, I don't have much left on the stickers. Wait, what's in this? All right. So I have this. I could put Uncle Sam with the party like that. All right. And then, oh, I do have. Let's see here if. Maybe put that back there. And that like that. All right. We're getting down to not a lot left for the left out those pages, which is exciting. When you get rid of a sticker sheet, I get excited. I like getting rid of a sticker sheet. Oh, I have my water sitting on my floor, and I have a little piece of paper floating in it. I'll put it up here for now. So for that. All right. So here is, let's see if I can get it to show. I'm gonna take a drink. My throat got really dry. All that chattering away. All right. So here is the finished one. Try and move out some of this other stuff that I have. And let's bring the book back in. That has. All right. So this is page 45. It originally was Totally Tonal Christmas Collection in 2022. I can just move the sticky up here because that shows all the ones there. So it does have room if I wanted to do some journaling. I can replace one of these with some journaling, or I can put some journaling up in here too as well. But I think it turned out super great for any of the July 4th things that you do, whether it's a parade or fireworks. This would work beautifully. So thanks again for joining me. Once again, my name is Tracy Walker, Creative Memories Advisor in Des Moines, Iowa. I will put how to connect with me in the description below. Thanks and have a great day.